Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you could close your Microsoft 365 account. So, how to close your Microsoft account? Because here we're not going to close only Microsoft 365, but we're actually going to close our whole Microsoft account, which includes 365. So, when you close a Microsoft account for whatever user reason, Microsoft wants to make sure of two things: that it's really you, not someone else trying to close your account, that you're not leaving anything important behind that you are going to need later. So, if you're sure to follow these steps to close your account, sign in to start closing your account, personal account. So to close your account, you need to be able to sign in. If you can't sign into your Microsoft account, use the sign in helper. If you forgot, simply just use the recovery. Then, if you are prompted to sign in and or verify your account, follow the instructions. Check that the page shows the correct Microsoft account and then click next. Read the list and click the checkboxes to acknowledge you have read each one of them. Choose to have the reopen window set to 30 or 60 days. So this is basically, for example, I have deleted my accounts today, and I have recreated it, for example, 30 after a week. So this is give you a window where your account will still be open for this period of time. So in case you could go back to it, you will be back to it without any effort. So it's going to be back with all the data. In the select a reason drop down list, choose an explanation for why you're closing your accounts, and then click mark account for closure. And just like that, all your data will gonna be deleted if you have not chose this, and your account will be closed. So thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.